Today we're making famous Australian chef Curtis Stone's grapefruit and fennel salad. Hi there, I'm Colin. Is this a cooking show? I'll leave it up to you to decide. Welcome to the new gourmet. Alright guys, I need all the help I can get with this one, and we're attempting to make a recipe from Curtis Stone for fennel and grapefruit salad. So, first thing that I'm supposed to do is remove the peel and white pith from one of the grapefruits. Now, I am uncertain how to do this because I've never really had to peel a grapefruit like this before, so we're going to sort of try our best. Working over a large bowl and using a small sharp knife, cut the grapefruit between the membranes to release the segments into the bowl. Okay. So that's supposed to just fall. I feel like it's supposed to just like fall off into the bowl. Hey, that's one, sort of. Ah, forgot my gloves. There, oh, look at that. That looks so much better. Doing it that way. Really need to have like an instructional on this. So the idea is to have no membrane on these pieces, so they're nice and fall apart, I guess. We've got this much. Now we juice the rest of the grapefruits. So we're going to take 1.5 cups of the grapefruit juice and simmer it on medium-high in a small saucepan for about 12 minutes until it reduces.
Plus, fresh out of the oven breadsticks.
We've got a surprise treat. These absolutely janky breadsticks I made attempting to recreate Olive Garden, so I'm going to try to fix these before I put them in the oven, but these are supposed to be a surprise, and you can see I kind of got the hang of it, rolling these at the end, but these were, yeah, they were a bit of a mess. So while we've got the reduction going on the back burner, we're going to melt some butter, add some tarragon, capers, salt, and pepper to create, I guess, a brown butter dressing, apparently? I don't know. So I'm supposed to let the butter get to a nutty brown color without burning it. And I've just turned this thing up in the back because it's just not reducing, because I have no idea how to reduce things. Even when I follow directions, they just don't reduce. So we're working on getting this to nutty brown, and then we're going to turn off the heat. But the grapefruit, I forgot about the grapefruit juice. We're going to put the grapefruit juice, the tarragon, the capers, and the salt and pepper in there to make the sauce, or excuse me, the dressing. And then that, hopefully, will be some kind of syrup to put over the top, I don't know. So we've got our, I don't know what I assume is our dressing. This shit still has not turned into anything. I've got it, it's been going for like 25 minutes, it's driving me crazy. It's supposed to reduce down to a 1/4 cup of syrupy production stuff, but it's not there, so I don't know, man. Oh boy. Okay. So the breadsticks are out. Now we're gonna brush them with a mix of butter, garlic powder, and salt, so they get that Olive Garden extra sodium. We're supposed to have the reduction cold, or at least room temp, so we're trying to shock it to life, or down from a boiling temperature, since we think we got it to the right consistency. So I don't know if this will work, but this is what we're trying to do. So we've got our fennel, thinly shaved fennel, we've got some lettuce, we've got my poorly separated grapefruit halves, Gonna do the dressing. We've got our chilled, whatever it is, our reduction, and that'll go on top.
Despite my woeful efforts at peeling and sectioning the grapefruit and my general inability to reduce the sauce despite boiling it for almost an hour, the salad was delicious. The richness of the brown butter combined with the sweet tang of the grapefruit and the anise and the fennel, and it all fit perfectly together. I set out to make a chefy salad to go with last episode's minestrone soup and the heinous breadsticks. And thanks to Curtis Stone, it was a resounding success, even if it took me forever to make it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.